Welcome to National Eligibility cum Entrance Test, popularly known as NEET for post-graduation, conducted by National Board of Examinations. An overview by successcds.net. As you are aware, NEET PG is a qualifying cum ranking examination for admission to MD, MS and PG diploma courses. For MDS admissions, AIIMS will be conducting the All India Entrance Exam. NEET PG will be a computer-based test. The testing window for NEET PG is 23rd November to 6th December 2012. Candidates have the option of choosing their examination center, date and time through the online registration and scheduling system. Exam scheme: multiple choice questions based with single correct response. There would be 240 questions in total. The exam would be held in 2 sessions of 3 hours each, and there shall be no negative marking. Please note, candidates who are completing their internship after 31st March 2013 or likely to complete after 31st March 2013 need not apply in the NEET PG exam, as they shall be ineligible to participate at any stage of the admission process. The subject-wise distribution of questions for NEET are listed below, with the number of questions for each subject. Have a look. Eligibility conditions: the candidate should have MBBS degree or provisional MBBS pass certificate, and the candidate should have completed 1 year of internship or likely to complete the internship on or before 31st March 2013. The qualifying criteria for general candidates is 50 percentile, for SC, ST and OBC it is 40 percentile, and for PWD it is 45 percentile. The NEET PG results will be valid only for the current admission session. The results for NEET shall be declared by 31st January. Admission procedure: the seats would be allocated as per PGME regulations. Reservation of seats in medical colleges as per applicable laws prevailing in respective states or union territories. Only candidates with minimum percentile as specified will be considered. The allocation of seats for Government Medical College is 50% from All India pool and 50% from state pool, and for private medical college it is 50% from state pool and 50% from institute pool. Listed below are the medical institutions that are not covered by centralized admissions for MD, MS and PG diploma seats through NEET. AIIMS New Delhi, PGI Chandigarh, JIPMER Pondicherry or such institutions as may be notified by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. NEET PG application dates: for payment of examination fee, kindly purchase the Composite Information Bulletin cum examination fee voucher from Axis Bank from 4th October to 10th November 2012. Online registration and scheduling for NEET PG would be from 4th October to 12th November 2012. How to apply? Registration and scheduling for appearing in the NEET PG examination is to be undertaken online. Kindly refer to the NEET website at www.nbe.gov.in/NEETPG for more information. The unique serial number on the information bulletin cum examination fee voucher is available underneath the scratch panel and needs to be entered on the NEET website for the online registration. Make sure you have the following information handy with you: MBBS details, internship completion dates, and test location, date and time that you are available to take the test. Please note, the maximum time you get to complete the process is 15 minutes. Success Series offers you a PG Medical CD which contains more than 16,000 multiple choice questions for practice. Best wishes from successseries.net. Thank you.